You can see I've been testing this method out for the past couple of weeks and it's been making me consistent affiliate commissions anywhere between $200 up to $685 per week on complete autopilot. Once you're going to set this method up, it's going to be bringing you steady money every single week just like this. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly what this affiliate marketing strategy is. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set it up so you can start making some passive income with it as well. And the best part of this method is I'm going to give you a done-for-you template that all you have to do is just copy and paste where I'm going to show you, and it's going to be working for you 24/7 without you having to do any work at all. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video I can notify you immediately. So with all that being said, let's just get started. First of all, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com, and if you've never been to this site before, what you want to do is sign up for your free account. If you don't have a ClickBank account yet and you're new to this website, what you want to do is actually click on login instead of this start here button, because I'm going to show you a clever hack that's going to save you a couple of minutes of your time. What you want to do is click on login and you want to click on create an account here using this sentence instead of start here button. That way you're going to skip a little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers and you get to save a couple of minutes of your time. What you want to do once you're signed up for your account, you want to log right into it and you want to navigate straight to the affiliate marketplace. What you want to do here is just go to this e-business and e-marketing section, because I'm going to give you the exact affiliate offer to go for with this method, and you can find it in this affiliate marketing section. If you're going to filter by affiliate marketing, then you want to scroll a little bit down until you're going to stumble upon this exact affiliate offer that's called easiest system ever done for you affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, this offer will pay you anywhere between $22 up to almost $200 for each of these conversions, and because this is very specific offer, you will need a very targeted traffic source for it. But don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to show you how to not only use the best traffic source for this type of offers, I'm going to show you how to promote it on complete autopilot, making money in your sleep. If you're going to check out this affiliate offer, you can see that this sales page is very nicely designed and it's going to be high converting for everyone interested in affiliate marketing, providing a lot of proof, providing a time urgency. So every time somebody's going to come to this sales page, there's very high chance you're going to make a sale. So what you want to do to successfully promote this is just pretty much click on promote, and you want to grab your affiliate link and make sure you're going to select daily commission blueprint, because this automation system that I created for you and I'm going to share with you is designed for this exact option. You want to select daily commissions and type in your ClickBank nickname, and then just click on create a hop link, and then pretty much just copy and paste it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Once you do that, you want to go to bit.ly or any other link shortener that you may want to use, and you want to click on create new, because you want to shorten this affiliate link. So instead of this messy soup of numbers and letters, you will have a very nice looking affiliate link with a custom back half option. So just go ahead and into this custom back half, you want to type something like done for you affiliate system or something like that, and if it's going to be taken as this one is right now, you want to add some numbers or letters in the end. For example, let's go with 2023, which is available, so I'm going to use that one, and then you want to click on create, and this is the exact affiliate link that we are going to be using in this nice shortened form. So what you want to do then is just copy it and save that one as well. Then what you want to do is go to the first link in the video description and you want to sign up for HighLevel platform. Using the link in the video description, you will get extended 30-day trial, which is twice the amount of free trial experience you get instead of using this generic button on their website. So just go to the first link in the video description and you want to sign up for HighLevel platform. Now pretty much this is one of the easiest to navigate and best automation platforms for affiliate marketing out there, and that's not even its primary function. It's pretty much designed to create and promote agencies or businesses out there. So even if you are not going to be using it for affiliate marketing and you do have a business, instead of using 3 or 4 different websites, you can do all of that under one roof on HighLevel. So even if you don't want to be doing this method, I definitely recommend checking out the extended free trial and utilizing HighLevel for yourself. Once you sign up for your account using the link in the video description, you want to log right into it, and once you log into your account, you want to navigate to the sub accounts section and you want to click on create a new sub account. Once you do that, you want to switch into it, and once you switch to your sub account, it's going to look something like this. Now the first step in this process, what you want to do is navigate to the this sections button at the bottom. Then you want to click on integrations and you want to make sure you are going to connect your Facebook account with HighLevel. Pretty much that way you can set up an automated responder on HighLevel that I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, and it's going to be sending messages on Facebook for you and promoting affiliate offers 24/7 for the next 10 days without you having to do anything at all. What you want to do then is navigate to the automation section of HighLevel platform, and you want to import the Facebook Messenger workflow that I designed specifically to be used with this exact affiliate offer that's going to be promoting it for you, and every time you're going to make a sale, you get paid on average up to $200. Now to get this automation workflow, what you want to do is go to the video description and look for a link that's going to be marked free Facebook workflow, and you want to download it. Then you want to click on that and you want to integrate it into your HighLevel account. Once you're going to open it up, it's going to look something like this. You're going to have this trigger that's going to trigger this 10-day long automated sequence messages. You can see I added 10 messages that are going to be sent every single day to the potential customers for the span of the next 10 days. And all you have to do to customize this to your own needs is just select each of these messages, and right here in the body of this message, what you want to do is actually exchange this affiliate link for your own. So I'm just going to grab my shortened affiliate link from my trusty little notepad, and what you want to do is actually use your own affiliate link that you have shortened, and you want to exchange it in every one of these messages, and then just click on save. So that was the first message. Then I'm going to go to the second one. I'm going to scroll all the way down here until I find my affiliate link. Then I'm just going to exchange it, then click on save, then go to the third part, find the affiliate link, exchange it, where it is, find the affiliate link, exchange it as well, save, and pretty much do that for the remaining messages. Now pretty much these messages I designed specifically to be promoting the exact affiliate product that I have shown you earlier, the done for you affiliate marketing system. So what you want to do is grab your affiliate link for this product and you want to promote this one. I have used various AI tools to design these messages to be very eye-catching and high converting. So what you want to do is just pretty much exchange the affiliate link for your own, and you want to click on save, and this is done. Now what you want to do is to make sure you're going to get this automation workflow triggered, and it's going to start sending out these messages, one message per day for the next 10 days. And what you can also do is to customize this however you want. For example, if you want to add a couple of messages, you can click on this plus button right here, and all you have to do is just select the channel of communication. In this case it's going to be Facebook Messenger, and you want to design your own messages and click on save, and it's going to be added to the workflow. Now as you can see right here, there's going to be displayed this message that's going to say that in order for these messages to be sent, a contact needs to have previously messaged or connected Facebook page no more than 24 hours before arriving. So pretty much what you want to do is to trigger this workflow and start sending out these automated messages is to message somebody first. Once you're going to exchange all the links for the affiliate offer with your own, you want to click on save, and then you want to make double sure your Facebook account is going to be connected. To do that, just go to this launchpad section of the platform, and as you can see right here, this Facebook icon will have this message displayed. Awesome, leads that generate from Facebook formats can now populate your CRM and etc, and you will have this green check mark right next to it. What this pretty much means, your Facebook account is connected to HighLevel, and now the automated messaging sequence will start every time somebody is going to message you back. Now what you want to do is go to Facebook, and in this search bar you want to search for affiliate marketing. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go through these affiliate marketing groups, and as you can see, these have literally hundreds of thousands of members, so you got tons of qualified traffic because all these people are interested in affiliate marketing. And that way, if you're going to promote them something that's done for you, and if you're going to promote to them something that's going to satisfy their curiosity about affiliate marketing, and especially if it's done for you affiliate marketing system, there's high chance you're going to make a conversion every time somebody's going to come to the sales page. So pretty much what you want to do is go to these affiliate marketing groups, and as you can see right here, if you're going to click on people, you will get displayed all the people that are following this group, and then what you want to do is just start messaging them one simple sentence. What I also recommend is that you go to this section where it says new to this group, because that way you will get to target people who are new to this group, and there's high chance they're looking for something to do with affiliate marketing that they can try right away, and they will be most likely to make a purchase. So what you want to do is just start messaging these people, and you don't have to be creating any messages for yourself, because as you can see, I have opened this chat with this person who I never messaged before in my life, and I got these pre-made options that are available just to click. So I'm just going to click on "Are you available to chat?" It's going to send out this chat message, and now as soon as this person is going to reply, the chat box will appear in this conversation section of HighLevel, and the automated sequence is going to be sent out on autopilot. Now I'm just waiting for a couple of minutes right now to see if the person is going to actually reply, to show you how this works in real time, because I don't want to be messaging my dummy accounts. That's going to be too shady. But I have done this exact same method with Instagram before, and it has worked very well. But ever since then I have decided to try this for Facebook as well, because you can get a lot more targeted traffic using Facebook, especially in those affiliate marketing groups. So pretty much what you want to do is just start messaging all these people in these affiliate marketing groups, and every time somebody is going to reply to the message, the automated sequence is going to start. They will be engaged in this automation workflow, receiving all these messages filled with your affiliate link, and every time they are going to click on the affiliate link, they will be taken to this sales page of the product, and every time they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid your commission. So just go ahead, click on the first link in the video description, sign up for HighLevel extended 30-day trial, then just go ahead and use my done for you copy and paste template, integrate it into your HighLevel account, connect that to Facebook, start messaging people, and all you have to do is just send one message out, and every time somebody is going to reply, this is going to work for you on complete autopilot. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Now to see more free money making content using HighLevel platform that you can try out while you have access to this 30-day free trial, check out one of these videos that are popping on the screen right about now. Other than that, have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.